Instagram page by name Bangalore Metro Chicks, which used to upload certain voyeuristic videos of women travelers and passengers using the Bangalore Metro without their consent or knowledge, and then uploading it for public view on the said page. A case was registered in Banshankari police station on 20 May of this year, and the investigation was taken up. In the course of the investigation, the accused was arrested today, and the preliminary information is such that the accused is a 27-year-old man who works in a private firm in accounts department, and he is a resident of Tigranpalya and works in Murugeshpalya. So on the way to and from the work, he used to videograph women without their knowledge or consent, and then upload the said videographs on the Insta page. The person has been arrested and has been subjected to now will be subjected to further legal action as per law.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.